All right, are we in?
I almost got it. Okay, wait for it now!
Oh, good job, Scooter. You hacked into the church's video system.
Whoa, Buck, I've never seen anything like it.
What are you talking about?
There's a whole bunch of gray-haired people just like you, Buck. From here, their heads look like ping pong balls.
Haha, that's pretty funny, Scooter. But hey, gray hair is considered a crown of wisdom. Besides, all the young people are sitting over here on the left.
Oh yeah, look at them. They're so cute. I was beginning to worry.
Yeah, hey Scooter, enough of that. We gotta tell everybody before Pastor Don cuts off our video feed. Hi everybody, I'm Buck and this is my friend Scooter, and we work down in the children's ministry with Pastor Chad. In fact, we teach Bible stories to the kids at Promised Land every single week.
Buck, can I please tell them what we're doing?
Oh, sure, tell them.
Buck and I are planning a big, giant, super amazing, unbelievably spectacular surprise for all the children's ministry and Promised Land.
Yeah, and it's gonna be H-U-G-E huge. We're calling it Buck and Scooter's Spring Break Surprise.
Yeah.
Now, we can't tell you what the surprise is. Well, because then it wouldn't be a surprise anymore. But I promise it's gonna be big.
Oh, Buck, don't forget to tell them about our Facebook.
Oh, yeah. So, be sure that you have liked the church's Facebook and Promised Lands because we're going to be posting clues every day until Sunday, March 17th, when we show everybody our big surprise.
Buck, don't forget about the party.
Oh, yeah. On Sunday, March 17th, we're going to have a big, giant party right after church. Free food, bouncers for the kids, and maybe one for the old people, too. And then we're going to show everyone our big, giant, super amazing surprise. It's going to be so awesome.